military. We want to thank you for your service.
Longest na iniwan namin yung kids. Na umalis kami na kami dalawa lang.
Wow, parang nasa Korea. How can I manage my finances in marriage? At saka, what's my role in marriage?
Nakikilala mo? Kahawit ko lang.
And then you're going to think of 3 things that you're going to tell them that you appreciate about them.
16. Come on, tighter. 17.
Yan, nandito kami sa room. Hindi ko nakwento pala, wala malang intro. Pero we're here at Baguio to do 2B1 Marriage Getaway. Ang organizer nito ay CCF. So dito kami sa Baguio Country Club. Kakapasok lang namin sa room. And may bumungad agad ng mga parang gift pack nila. So may ang daming laman, nakaka-happy. Isang bag. Actually, may bigas pa nga eh. May bigas. May bigas, may payong. Brownie. Juice. So, ay, may idea pala ako. Pero nakakainis kasi hindi ko ata nalagay yung nickname ko. So, Heidi yung nakalagay dyan. Ayoko pa nang nalataw na Heidi. Ang daming laman. Pati electric fan. Ay, kahit malamig naman dito. Wipes. Bello something. Dami nilang sponsor ha. Daming gamot, vitamins. Oh my gosh, pati bihon. May bihon. Pati delata. Meron pala tayo. Go bag ata to eh. Yellow tuna. And pati socks. O, diba? Welcome to the retreat, sabi. So, today is the first day. 4 days ito in total. 3 nights. So, ngayon yung first day. Bago kami pumunta dito, nagpunta muna kami ng SM. Kasi wala palang baterya yung relo ni Yonel. And also, nag-lunch kami. So, yan. Mag-start na rin yung program. Yung first activity in 30 minutes. Kaya, punta na rin kami doon. Binabalang namin yung gamit namin and magto-toothbrush. Let's go! Hey! We are on our way to our first, welcome something. Are you excited? Meron silang pocket garden dito. Puso na rin sa mga bahay na yung may ganyang pocket garden. Pero yan maganda may view. Ang sarap ng weather. Yay!
We want to thank you for your service. Anyone in the military was in the
So, we are done with day 1. Kamusta ikaw? Kinuha namin yung mga gamit namin sa kotse. Dadalhin namin sa room. Kasi malayo yung parking doon sa hotel proper. Ayan. So, bukas naman day 2. So, 4 days na ito lahat. Bukas, 6 AM breakfast time. Tapos, yung program mag-start ng 9. So far, so good. Ang lamig. Ay, sarap sa Baguio talaga. What if dito tayo nakatira? Sa Baguio. Sarap. No? Nandito lahat ng trabaho eh. May dala kaming gown, Knox. Yung last night kasi meron siyang themed party. Ayan, we are back in the hotel room. Yeah, let's work. Mag-work kasi hindi kami naka-work the whole day. Lalo siya kasi nag-drive.
Ano ata yung longest na iniwan namin yung kids? Na umalis kami na kami dalawa lang. Kasi kahit pumunta kami ng Korea before, 2 nights. Or maybe 2 nights ba yun? 2 nights lang eh. Or 3 nights din. Same lang nito. Pero ito Baguio lang. Tapos, babalik rin kami dito sa Baguio on November 8. Kasi, ano naman, outing naman ng mga barkada niya with families. Kaya doon naman kasama namin yung kids. Aalisin natin sa mga bag yung mga gamit at isasampay na natin sa cabinet para mas madaling gumalaw, di ba? Wagang makeup kit. May makeup kit ako na malaki na dala kasi nga may formal dinner on the last night. Tingnan niyo yung baon ko sa maleta. Ang aking mga epektus, mga fiber and tea. Kahit gold na, bago pa to, kasama to sa regalo niya sa akin nung anniversary namin na nag-shopping spree ko sa Pampanga. So kasama to. At may mga ilan pa akong accessories dito kasi nga yung theme on the third night ay Great Gatsby. 9:52 na, anak, ha?
Yeah, it's fast lang naman. We just came from the birthday.
Okay, how was the birthday?
Good.
Okay. O, sige. O, you will sleep na, ha? Saan ka matutulog?
Room ko.
O, sige, kuya.
Ito.
Okay. O, sige. O, sige, anak. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, ngayon lang kami makakapag-phone. So, marami mga tambak na work. Kaya, phone muna kami. Siyempre, nakafocus talaga kami kanina doon sa sessions. Wow, parang nasa Korea. Lalabas kami ngayon kasi gutom daw siya. So, hanap kami ng bukas kasi 11 PM na eh. So, let's go! Diet ka na? Diet ka na?
Oo, sa atin. Pati yun, nakalimutan ko pangalan.
Luis, tagatangit ng sintas. Eleven na ha, mind you. Pero sarap rin mag-drive sa Baguio ng ganitong oras. Right? Binuksan pa natin ng konti para mahangin. Hanap tayo na makakainan, baka sa may John Hay area. By the way, kanina, nung nasa elevator ako sa lobby, pagbaba, may nag-hi sa akin. Yun pala, distributor siya ng HTP Basics here in Baguio. Grabe, galing, small world. Not really, kasi taga Baguio talaga siya. Pero, ang galing lang kasi never kami nagkita before. Dahil syempre, pag taga Baguio, pag may events na face-to-face sa Manila or sa Bulacan, hindi sila nakakapunta. Hindi pa kami nagkita ulit, so sobrang saglit lang ng hi-hello namin kanina. Pero may message ko siya, Dad, kanina, pag uwi natin sa hotel. Tapos sabi ko, kung dito sila magbe-breakfast, sabay tayo sa kanila mag-breakfast. Kasi I'm sure hindi sila nakastay dito sa country club kasi taga dito lang sila. Pero kahit di ka dito nagsistay, kasi 2 options yan. Yung iba kasi naubusan ng room dahil ubusan. So pwede kang mag-join pa rin itong marriage getaway kahit na hindi ka naka-check-in here. So magkaiba lang siya ng rates. Pero may breakfast pa din. Yan, dito kami sa John Hay. Hindi na pala 24 hours yung volante. So ang bukas na lang ay Starbucks, Yellow Cab, and Army Navy. So, sa Starbucks, X na yan dahil walang masyadong totoong food. Gusto na yun, there's totoong food. Yellow Cab, di siya mahilig sa pizza. So, doon tayo sa Army Navy. At meron siyang nakitang mga motor dyan. Gusto mo yan? Pili kita yan. Ano gusto mo doon? Ano gusto mo? Para may pambili. Starbucks. We are walking. Punta kami ng 7-Eleven para meron kaming food sa room. I think ito lang yung day na makakalabas kami. Kasi mga susunod na araw ay mas marami ng gagawin. Call center to kaya maraming tao pa. Sabi namin, pag nagsi-7-Eleven kami, nang nakabihis, I think, para kaming nasa ibang bansa. So, eto noodles. Good morning. Okay, so gumising kami ng 6 AM ngayon para mag-breakfast ng peacefully. Tapos, after breakfast, babalik kami sa room, tsaka kami maliligo. And mag-prepare. Meron din ba kayo ngayon sa morning? May sipon. Actually, mas efficient yung bababa kami doon na naka-ready na. Tapos pagka-breakfast, tsaka kami pupunta na doon sa hall, diba? Kaso lang, parang gusto namin ng peaceful breakfast. Kasi ang ganda rin kasi ng view, diba? Ng breakfast dito sa veranda. So, para mas ma-enjoy namin siya. Ko sure walang tao ng 6 AM when it opens, so doon tayo. So, that's what we're going to do. Jacket from HTP. No? Thank you. May tahong. Namiss mo na. Anong tago sa atin? Raisin bread. Hello, it's our afternoon break time. So, nag-freshen up at ngayon babalik na rin kasi parang 1 hour break lang siya. Ang ganda ng weather here in Baguio today. Ayan, daming natututunan. Of course, kanina yung topics are about financial... Ano yun? Anong title nun? Andito nga pala sa likod ng ID namin yung schedule, including the topics. So, for example, kanina yung topic ay how can I manage my finances in marriage? At saka, what's my role in marriage? So, maganda yan kasi na-explain kung ano yung role ba talaga ng husband, ano yung role ng wife, yung mga ganung bagay. Kasi kung minsan, hindi naman siya talaga actually natuturo, diba? Pero dito, parang na-chani siya isa-isa. At ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon ay i-apply.
That you will find work here, or put a business here. And then you realize...
Good morning! Day 3. Look at my eyes. Nakikilala mo ba ako? Nakikilala mo ako?
Kahawig mo lang.
Kahawid ko lang to. So, alam na why. Hindi ko na kayo na-update last night because masyadong packed yung mga sessions. Kaya ganyan din. Maraming tinuro. Like yesterday, how to resolve conflict. So, ngayon, it's day 3. Ano ba ngayon? Intimacy something yung topic. So, sana, umayos na yung mata ko kasi hindi siya kinakaya ng falsies at ng makeup. Ang weird. At may party pa tayo tonight. So, sana, maayos siya. Makisama. Ganyan talaga ako kapag umiyak. Hindi siya maikakaila.
And then you're going to think of 3 things that you're going to tell them that you appreciate about them.
Hug tight. We're seeing some people not hugging at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. Come on, tighter. 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, good job, guys. Go.
Hey! We're ready for the costume party daw. Great Gatsby party. Yay! Today is our last night. Kaya may pa-effect, may pa-party. So this is our outfit.
Some really fun games and award winners tonight as well. So, yes, do you all have a copy of the renewal of vows and your rings?
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say,
honey, I will from this day,
that I love you.
October 25, 2025, we recommit to love one another unconditionally as Christ has loved us. With Christ's help, we promise to love one another in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, in death and his word.
final day here in Baguio. Almost 9 a.m. So, na-prepare na namin yung things namin for check-out. Tapos, mag-breakfast, tapos check-out na. Breakfast! With the view! This view! Ay. Sobrang punuan. Kaya, kakalinis lang itong table for us. Thank you. Konting magana lang yung mata ko. After this, check out. Tapos, Sunday service from 10 to 12. Here sa Country Club. By the way, this is organized by CCF Manila. Yung CCF service, church service, Sunday service, I mean, dito sa Baguio, ay dito rin talaga ginagawa sa Baguio Country Club. Kapag ganitong oras, puno na talaga yung breakfast area.
Good Vietnam.
May pimple. So, nasa kotse na kami at ready na kami to go home. And we're excited kasi pakikita na namin ang aming 4 kids. Wait lang. Hi! So, nakaalis na kami ng John Hay area sa may Baguio Country Club. Grabe yung traffic here in Baguio. It's a Sunday, Ngayon, nandito kami sa may likod ng SM. Pakita ko lang sa iyo. Yan yung school ko before. Yan yung school ko. UP Baguio. Dati, ito may tinatayong building ngayon. Sunshine Park yan dati. So, isa yan sa tinatambayan. May fog pa rin kahit afternoon. Excited na kami. Siguro, ang biyahe pala namin is mga 3.5 hours. Pero with this traffic, baka 4 hours. Maghihinto kami somewhere for lunch. Kasi yung kinain namin kanina ay breakfast. Ngayon, busog pa naman kami. Anong masasabi mo muna? Anong natutunan mo? Anong take away mo? One lang.
Truth.
Truth? Truth. May truth dapat ka if you want to believe in something. Parang there should be a truth in it, diba? Yun yan, diba? Yun yung pinaka-essence ng truth. Parang how do you ang sermon kung tawagin, 'di ba, sa Catholic kasi kanina sa Sunday service. How to finish this life well. So, una, you have to please God. Second, you have to be excellent. So work mo, kung ano man yung work mo, do it excellently. And lastly, truth. Nakalimutan ko yung exact phrases, pero truth. Parang you have to live by with truth in anything you do.
Governor Pack Road.
Hello. Dito kami sa may LU, sa may pagbabalang ng Marcos Highway to eat lunch. And I don't feel well. Ganito talaga ako. Madalas ako magkaroon ng motion sickness. So imagine, nag-aaral ako sa UP Baguio ng college. So lagi ko to na-experience every time na umuwi ako sa Bulacan. I hate it. Dito kami kakain sa Kayu. Parang Japanese fusion siya. Ganyan. Kanta ka.
you eat, Ma? What did you eat? Did you miss me? Daddy? Yes, you. Did you miss mommy? Kuya! Yeah. Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy? Three, two. Video yan. Yay! Did you miss us, huh? Yes? Yes? Oh, you.